Hello everyone, welcome to Yardie Belly's Kitchen for another of my crazy creative dishes. And as you can see today, I am planning to try my best to do some lobster tails for you. Yeah, I try to surprise the wife, but by this she hear, cause she hear everything. You can't hide nothing from her. Alright, so what we have here is, some lobster tail, obviously. And these were previously frozen. And pretty much what we're gonna do is, what I have done is, I've taken my kitchen scissors, yeah, and I just cut along the back of all of them. And then you open them up and you take your hands and you try to, get the meat up out of the shell. You want the meat on top of the shell like so. Alright, and these are cleaned and deveined, and my hands is also clean, but you want to separate the meat from the shell so that them come up a little bit like so, as much as possible. This one is a soft shell, it's like a baby lobster, so it not gonna work as good as the rest. Yeah, so you just cut them open and you can work your hand from the back, from underneath, and try to get them up out of the shell. They want to play hard for them, so may I make it stay a little bit. Alright, yeah, see it coming there. And folks, I am gonna try to do a jerk inspired, oven broiled. Yeah, I'm not grill. All of them things there we need funding for. Yeah, we need a grill. But see how them look? Nice, clean and nice. Alright, and so join me in the kitchen. Make we do some lobster tail. That's what the thing said. Remember me tell you. Okay, so really? May I shoot my video? Sorry. Me I shooting my video, and who know I in the background? Joshua, you and your friend them go on. I mean now put it. I mean I put everything on YouTube. Hey. There's a whole lot of meat. Yes, because it's lobster. Can you tell the little girl that back room is stopping nice? Come and interrupt the video. Alright. So folks, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start out with some garlic infused oil that I made. See, olive oil with basil leaves and garlic. Yeah, you hear them in the background. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put the oil on it, on the lobster. Lobster them wash out everything already, so put some garlic oil all over it. Yeah, that's what the thing set. Alright, so I start out with my oil. Put enough oil, make yourself comfortable, cause you don't want to make the thing uncomfortable. Yeah, see there? So after you put the oil now, I have minced garlic in olive oil. Again, you can make this for yourself, because let me tell you something. At the easy route me I go. You understand? Me in the whole chop and thing. So see, put some garlic. Just chew things on it. No, I don't stop video. Alright, so I just put some garlic. Cause all of this I go permutate. You understand? The whole of this is gonna permutate. You see the garlic enough? Yes, that's what you want. You want to give the lobster flavors. What you say? Flavors. Right. And then after I put that now, remember I told you this is a jerk lobster, right? Jerk lobster. So I'm gonna wash out my spoon because I don't want the cross contamination. You hear that? You don't want cross hungry contamination. Alright, this is my jerk seasoning. I'm gonna show you exactly what it is, because this has been very good to me, and I'm gonna big up this company, even though them don't know me I use them product. Maybe when them see the video, them will love it and them will call me and say, you shall be the spokesman for the video in the 2016-17 eloquential. Yeah, so the thing set. So this is my lobster jerk seasoning, and as you can see, it's a wet seasoning. I may put it right there, so now I'm not skim with the lobster thing. Yeah, we'll make sure that the lobster well permitted. That one is big, you see? Simone, I hear that one here, that one is big. Hey. Yeah, I'll know my mouth of water, I tell you that straight. Now, you notice I put a lot? Me not really skim, but the jerk marinade, let me show you it. Let me show you it. See? Caribbean Savories Inc. Honey jerk dip. You see it? It bad like yours. And yeah, big them up. Yeah. Alright, so put more jerk seasoning. Well, put them. Just put more jerk seasoning and done. Yeah. Yeah. Make the thing nice. Alright. And then the next thing what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some fresh thyme. Yeah, because my mother teach me say, you know, you must always put thyme in the something. And you know, my mother is a very good mother. Yeah. The Lord help her and Jesus save her. So I just want to big up my mother, because she watch my video them sometime from Jamaica. And yeah, big up mommy, big up. Yeah. Remember. So all I'm saying to you ladies and gentlemen is make sure say you do this something how you want to do it and don't make nobody tell you otherwise. You understand? I put some scallion in there. I just cut up them scallion here over the top. Right? Because, you know, yeah, you just have to put some scallion. Because we used to with scallion now, we are Jamaicans. We used to with scallion and we think, you know. So, I don't want to put no pepper yet, because the jerk flavor is very strong and argumentative. Yeah, and see there, so I'll put this in the oven and put it under the broiler for maybe about 10 minutes. I'm going to check it in between. Hold on, my piece of ginger, I want ginger in there. You don't ginger for in there, Simone? Yeah, I'm just cut the ginger big, you know, and just put piece of ginger to make sure so everything marinate and permeate, and it just always have a very strong atmosphere. No, you have to make your own words, you know, because, you know, Nelson have dictionary because he make up him one word, so me must can find my own way. Nelson or Webster? Webster, the two of them. Nelson are Jamaica, Webster are foreign. Yeah. So, and then I'm gonna put some Himalayan sea salt. Yeah, from the Himalayas. See there? Himalayan fine pink salt. So, this is the day at the top of the world. Yeah. Put some Himalayan Hima on top of it. And anything else I'm gonna put is when it start permeate. You understand? Anything where you say I put, you can put whatever you want. You know, I feel like, yeah, I put some old beer. Just because, you know, I like the old things. See that? See that? Yeah, can't lose. Old Bay, and it is ready. It's already. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and as I said, I put the oven to broil because I don't want to bake it. I want to. It's almost like I'm mimicking a grill, and then we see how it go. All right, folks. See my jerk lobster right there. And I put little plant and little something on the plate to make it look sort of more, you know, inviting. But remember, me tell you, the thing is so good. The thing looks so nice. You understand? How my thing now move? Fix it for me. Yeah, do it for me. Yeah, you can try it in your neck of the woods. Yeah, your jerk lobster, planting and thing. Me just put it on the broiler, and then me finish it up with some green onions or scallion. And I'm gonna drizzle a little of the jerk water over it, you know, to make it more nicer. Yeah, just keep it blending and thing. Hey, try it in your yard, round your place, and tell me if it come out good. Can the way you say about the food, right? It look good?
I'm going to say eating not that easy because the food they turn up. They don't mash up because the lobster turn up. I'm going to say no, say
Like this.
Remember to rate, subscribe, like, and do the things. Peace.